AfterSpa, exfoliating gloves, 1 pair. Product overview description. For radiant and smooth feeling skin, clinically tested for all skin types, cleanses and polishes your skin. A more effective cleaning than using just your hands alone. One size fits all. Contents: 2 pieces. Suggested use: gently massage your skin to clean and exfoliate. Use with shower gel, soap or body scrub. Rinse with water and air dry. Use daily. Other ingredients: fabric, cotton, polyamide, polyester. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.